there, it's Ashley from WTI. Nature's Way makes a great MCT oil. This is medium chain triglycerides. It's from coconut oil and it's really great for your brain. A friend of mine told me about this oil and I decided to check it out. What I do is put it in my smoothies every day and it blends in really nice. It doesn't have any type of flavor, color, smell to it, and it does not clump up your smoothies. You can also put this in your coffee and baked goods, and it's made from premium coconuts. There's no filler oils in this, and it stays liquid, which is really neat. So even if you put this in the refrigerator, it's going to stay liquid form. It has the squirt lid that works really well, so I like to use a tablespoon measure because that is the recommended dosage for an adult. They do say to be careful taking too much of this. It can cause GI discomfort. But overall, I am really loving this product, and I would highly recommend if you are wanting to get some good nutrients into your body, then check this one out. But that's just my point of view.